Good morning, everyone. Parents have been asking me a question many times that why my child is not disciplined, and I have been repeatedly pleading to all the parents that child becomes what we want them to be like. On a paper, write down your child's name and also all the problems of your child, what you are getting from your child. Some examples are using mobile all the times, fight with everyone, acting as a foolish, not talking politely, not sleeping early, not listening, not giving respect. So actually children behaves with the signals what they receive from us, maybe knowingly or maybe unknowingly. They observe us and minutely adopt the verbal and non-verbal communications. So if you are using mobile all the times, then they will observe this. By observing, they are also using mobile all the times. You have no schedule. They also struggle to follow one. If you will fight in front of your children, then they will also fight among themselves and also with others. And maybe they are also going to the depressions. If you keep telling your child that you are a fool, then believe me, they will also act as a foolish. If you want them to respond to you politely, then please do the same with them. If you want them that they will sleep early, then please you sleep early with them. If you will not listen to them, if they need your love, if they want to talk with you, then if you will ignore them, then obviously they will also ignore to you. And if you will do and teach with love and affection, that how to give respect, good manners and good behaviors to your children, then definitely they will learn that and they will also do the same. They will also behave good. If you have to get respect from your children, then you have to also give them love and affection. You have to treat your children like you wanted to be treated. You need to practice more and more, be patient and control your emotions. And if you start treating them as you want them to become, then you will see a drastic change in their response. And if you have never done this before, then it's not too late, but it's not easy too, I know. So if you want a change in your child, in your child's behavior, then first change yourself. Then only you will see a change in your child's response, child's behavior. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.